Welcome. If you want to speed up your face unlocking and Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the biometrics and the security. You have to open the fingerprint, the face recognition option. And then you will find this option right here, faster recognition. So we have to turn it on and also turn off, stay on the lock screen until you swipe. Right now your phone will be unlocked definitely faster. Take a look. But when you stay with these two options, as default, take a look right now. As you can see, unlocking takes more time. So if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.